Good afternoon, everyone. We are Group 1, and today we are going to present on topic of an emerging technology, the augmented reality (AR) for the future of construction. This is our outline today. It's roughly divided into 5 parts. They are the overview, application of AR in construction, its benefits and challenges, recommendations, and finally the conclusion. Let's start with the overview. So, what is AR? The figure here illustrates the division of 3D world. Augmented reality, which is circled on left-hand side, is defined to present information and virtual objects which are directly registered with actual world. That is to say, AR adds supplementary information to reality, other than replacing it. So, why there is a need of using AR in Hong Kong's construction industry? Firstly, it is known that construction process always involves extensive exchange of data between different parties, such as clients, engineers, PM team, on-site workers, etc. AR, being able to be interactive in real time, users' ability to acquire and perceive information will be enhanced. Secondly, in Hong Kong, shortage of skilled workers is really a concern. AR, which can combine the digital world and physical world, making the training session much easier, especially in terms of quality check and safety management. Thirdly, construction industry is often troubled with delay. With AR, there will be in-time design updates, enhanced coordination between stakeholders, and easier on-site quality check so as to improve the productivity and efficiency. Thus, it can be seen that problems of construction industry may be well addressed through AR. And next, I'll pass it to Patrick to talk about detailed AR application in construction.
Thanks. In the next section, we are going to introduce a few scenarios where AR technology can facilitate the traditional construction process. A well-designed AR app can help increase the efficiency and accuracy of the construction work in many different aspects. Well, first off, we can utilize AR to help the site inspectors in the quality control process. Currently, the majority of the construction industry is using 2D plans as guidelines to construct 3D buildings. Inspectors will need to retrieve information from the plans and project it into 3D in their own mind, leaving plenty of room for errors. A simple AR app can help visualize the building information in 3D, making it easier to follow the construction instructions, and hence increase the efficiency and accuracy of construction works. Moreover, such system can help lower the skill level required for the building inspection process, making it possible for the construction workers to self-check their work using the AR applications instead of waiting for the site inspectors to point it out for them. This can greatly reduce the possibility of major defects and hence reduce the chances of rework. In short, augmented reality's capability in visualization demonstrates great potential in revolutionizing the quality control process in the construction industry. One other key feature for the AR systems is its capability of accurate indoor navigation. While outdoor navigation can be quite easily achieved using the GPS system, indoor navigation remains quite a challenge. AR applications can potentially provide an accurate tracking system in an indoor environment. Notch proposed an AR system that can recognize the emergency exit signs. The signs exist all over the buildings and are often placed in obvious locations. Once the signs are captured by the head-mounted AR camera, we can determine the position of the user. Direction instructions are then overlaid to the user's visual display, helping the users to navigate within the building. An accurate indoor navigation system can be useful in a construction site, especially if linked with BIM. In an ever-changing construction environment, it can be quite hard to navigate from one location to another. Some stairs or elevators might not be available in different phases of the project, forcing the workers to take different routines in different situations. However, such intels might be available in the BIM scheduling information. The AR application can then calculate the fastest way to travel to the designated location, and hence increase the efficiency of construction workers commuting in construction sites.
Okay, thank you. So, augmented reality technology has also been applied in the safety management purpose. Construction sites are inherently dynamic due to continuous resource changes. As construction projects become bigger and more complex, this dynamism can lead to more frequent incidents on job sites. Safety training, personal protective equipment, and regulations have been applied to improve the safety of construction sites. However, because of the dynamic and congested nature of construction sites, these practices still cannot guarantee safety. With AR technology, it can proactively inform workers of potential dangers in situations. The system enables workers to recognize and consequently avoid dangers before accidents occur by displaying augmented hazard information on a wearable device. Generally, AR systems commercially available on the market in construction sites comprise of three modules: a vision-based site monitoring module that utilizes image capture device to identify site hazards. Second, a safety assessment module that utilizes captured image data to evaluate the safety level of each object. And lastly, a visualization module that provides actionable information such as hazard orientation, distance, and safety level. The safety information provided by the AR system can mitigate hazards and improve construction site safety. Let's pass to Jimmy.
Thank you, Jack. And now I will talk about the benefits and the challenge about the application of AR in construction. And so, let me talk about the benefits. And in here, there are three benefits of the AR application, including the productivity, cost, and this time. It is enhanced for both of them. And so the reason is that it is possible for the supervisor or manager to conduct a walkthrough of the construction site when they are building an overlay BIM model on top of the physical world, and to compare the change and to review the project documentation. And in addition, it is instantly recording of the process, and the result through the AR walkthrough can be reviewed. And as a result, there will be fewer rework due to the blueprint provided in a short time through the AR system. And so, although the potential of the AR may enhance the construction development in different perspectives, the obstacles cannot be overlooked. And let me talk about these three challenges of the AR application. So, for the perception of the major parties, some of the clients think that the poor organization and decision making is the main concern. About more than 2,600 construction leaders think AR will make uncoordinated communications and poor organizations. And also, in addition, client does not accept the new technology of the AR. According to the Jennifer King in 2018, about half of the respondents from the survey believe it is too new and too experimental. And secondly, regarding the financial concern, not only the AR guys, but also the training-free technicians and construction workers are also the main concern about the money, about the price of the AR development. And most importantly is the imperfection of the accessory equipment. It is divided into two parts: a limited number of the careers, and including some mobile devices and computer programs is lacking in these few years. And secondly, an immature of the equipment visualization. You can imagine that it is inconvenient to wear both glasses and helmet in the construction site. And so these are some challenge of the AR application in the construction. And now I'll hand over to Vance to talk about the recommendation.
Thank you, Jimmy. And in order to bring functions and benefits of AR to full play, suggestions are put forward from following two aspects. The first aspect is technology enhancement. Efforts may be put into the invention of portable visualization equipment, which is with a better suit of outside workers, into the invention of AR's mobile devices, and into the integration of AR and RFI. The second part is the external support from government or professional institutions. It may be in the form of providing subsidy for AR projects, in the form of offering fundings in terms of AR R&D, or holding promotion activities and training sessions on AR's application. To conclude, in today's presentation, we know that AR provides connection and interaction between physical world and digital world. AR in construction may take effect in indoor navigation, in quality control and safety management, leading to the increased productivity, improved quality, and decreased cost. Though that difficulties still exist for its popularization, the future of AR in construction is still promising, with further advance in technology and support from government. This is our reference list. And is there any questions regarding our presentation today? Thank you.